We were so impressed nung first time namin na-try itong chong baru. So my husband and I decided to bring the whole family here para matry din nila yung masarap na chicken ng chong baru. Ito yung Hainanese chicken nila. This is the Michelin awarded dish. Sobrang lambot and tasty nitong chicken na to. Cold nga lang siya sinuserve. I wonder why. My husband and I both prefer this roasted chicken. Mas malasa kasi yung skin nito and hot siya sinuserve. Winner nga pala yung Hainanese rice ng chong baru. Ang sarap ng texture. Wala akong masabi doon sa quality ng chicken nila kasi ang sarap talaga, ang lambot, and ang dali kainin. For our appetizer, vegetable fritters. Crispy sweet potato siya na may spring onions. Ang crunchy, hindi oily, and ang yummy ng sauce, manamis-namis. Ang sarap nitong papakin while waiting for the chicken. Sausawan nga pala nung Hainanese chicken and roasted chicken is sweet soy sauce and ginger. Meron ding chili, mas sumasarap yung chicken pag meron ito. Only soup din sa chong baru. Ito request ng daughter ko, curry chicken noodle. Iba yung lasa ng Singaporean curry compared sa mga Japanese and Indian curry, pero masarap din. Meron siyang crispy wontons, chicken, eggs, and potatoes. Mild spice lang to, pero may konti pa ring kick. Nagustuhan ng daughter ko. Pero for me, mas nagustuhan ko yung previous naming in-order na chicken curry with rice. Oh well, nagustuhan naman ng kids ko and simut sarap. Kayo, saan ang pinakamasarap na Hainanese chicken for you?